I'm still here, even after everything. Maybe I can find myself again. I've been walking through the silence, trying to hear my own voice. Every step feels unfamiliar, like I forgot how to choose. I was lost inside your shadow, and everything we used to be. Now I'm standing in the mirror, trying to recognize me. It's not easy letting go, it's not easy starting new, but there's something deep inside me telling me I'll make it through. I'm not broken, I'm just bent. I'm not lost, just reinvented. I'm relearning who I am, piece by piece, finding strength I thought I lost inside of me. Every scar becomes a part of something real, not a wound, but something I can finally heal. Piece by piece, I'm coming back to life. Piece by piece, I'm leaving you behind. I don't need to be the version of the person that I was. I can grow beyond the damage, I can rise above the loss. Every memory still matters, but it doesn't own my soul. I'm rewriting every chapter, taking back what you controlled. There's a fire slowly building, not the one that burned me down, but the one that lights the darkness when there's no one else around. I can feel it deep inside, something waking.